Alright, good morning everybody. Morning Diddy, first one in here, SCT99, Rosendo, what's up man? Good morning official email on TikTok, I got stuck on Tesla at 210, you're still long? And J Hart back to the number one spot. What's up J Hart, Fish on, Fat G, Chicago, back at it, Trade Smart today, the way of the torts. Morning Juan, everybody hit that like people. What's up, what's up, good morning, another day, another dollar. You're gonna make me say that every day, aren't you? Well, Emil, don't bag hold so much. This thing could go back down to 180s or something like that. Yeah, it could shoot up to 20s to 30s, but you can bag hold it if you want. You might just have to wait a while, or you can cut your loss and keep trading and then learn from your mistakes. If we are day traders, we day trade. So if it goes to into a red trade, we close it. We don't bag hold it. So morning, Corey. Morning, Snook Ardo. Just a little, just your usual heads up. So Tesla's still like immune to dropping. Like Amazon, look at the daily selling off. Apple, that little bull flag there, try to break out, falls breakout, sold off. Spy, a little bit of a bigger sell off yesterday. New lows today, under 400 bucks. Tesla, popped up actually. You know, Nvidia, big old sell off last 3 days. AMD, same thing, sell off last 4 days. Look at this 5 minute chart on AMD. Boom, 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 boom. Look at Tesla. Up, up, down, up, down. So, what do I think of Tesla? Very nice level here at $200. We are hovering the 50 MA on SPY. I'm going to play the first bounce for a call and then flip to a short on the first rejection. Hold a little longer, looking for a slow fade. Morning, Neath. Morning. Who else is in here? Morning, Budget Bud on TikTok. So honestly, I think Tesla's holding pretty well. Unless this thing really gets a lot of volume and one of these days sells off, I do think this could just keep bouncing. Maybe pops the lows, maybe 190 at the most. But I don't think this thing is maybe I don't think this thing is gonna go back down to 170s right now. It went from 100 bucks to 212 and somehow still holding just $10 under that. So and it's been holding for a while. It's been trading at 190 to 210 for almost half a month now. Morning, Amy Young. Smart today. Big plays today. SPY holds the 50. Are you looking at these on the daily, Wild Boy? Daily, daily, daily. Okay, I had to shrink something real quick. Tesla, very nice level. This 199.40. So we bounced all day yesterday on this thing, and then today we are already rejecting it. If we get over this level, I could see us move back over 200. Yesterday's close like kind of 197, so that'll tell me if we're strong or not compared to the day. If we lose this 195 to the bottom, 195 to the bottom, we could see nice sell-off back on down. 192 would be the next level. It's kind of a little far away, but let me see. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Even on the 15-minute time frame, if we lose that 195, 196, I could see Tesla down 192. So that's what I'm looking at right now. As far as penny stocks, there's not that many again. LAP is one of the few that is actually popping up. FOMC meetings at 2 p.m. Keeping in mind, you will be volume will be lighter. Gosh dang, I honestly hate meetings now. Like I feel like there's like 3 a week. Morning Romsey, morning Mighty Romsey. What you got today? God, I played so much pickleball yesterday, guys. My shoulder is killing me. LLAP, it's a pretty nice gap up. Morning, Jessica. Um, LLIP, I did notice it's got high IO, and high IO tends to be manipulated. Hence, a mom yesterday. A mom was a high IO stock, and it kept running and running and running. So maybe LAP has something to give us for the long side, but I also did went ahead and locate shares on that one just because it is pretty cheap to short. Today's plan: shut down computer before FOMC. True, 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 true. I hope I at least get some moves. WINT is okay. I'm looking through the gappers. I don't really see anything that attractive, but we haven't seen anything like that in the last couple of weeks. Haven't had any good runners, any good stocks squeezing or anything. Pet's another one, really low volume. SRNE, 61 cents, but this is a kind of a dead cat bounce, kind of a bro. I'm looking for long Meta, Nvidia, Tesla, and coin. I'm going for the TQQs first thing, Mike P. So it looks like most of us are trying to catch a little bit of a dip this morning. What do you think Tesla will do? Hopefully, I don't know. I think it might catch a bounce. I think it might try to reclaim that 200s, honestly. Watching NQ. NQ also has a pretty clean like support resistance level today. Unless NQ gets under that level, which is 100, I might be trading Tesla. Same thing in that one. So if NQ loses that level, then looking short for Tesla. If NQ stays above that level, then looking long for Tesla. But I did notice some big differences on Tesla these last couple days. SPY and NQ were both selling off pretty aggressively yesterday at one point, and Tesla was holding and holding and holding. And then I think at one point when I saw them NQ and SPY a little bit of a pushing, I ended up going short Tesla and it worked out. So it was weird. Morning Argent trader Tesla. I think it would be a good short at 201. My boy's saying that. I did end up making a little bit more profit yesterday. I don't know if you guys saw it, but not happy with it because I pretty much scalped my way through it. So I was up $300 when I ended the stream, and I think I got some of the nice shorts on Tesla on that sell-off that I was finally looking for. So this sell-off here is what I was trying to look for here. We never got it, so you guys know I was looking for that 204 break and sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. So I tried a bunch of shorts there, and I was getting chopped around. So I ended the stream at 300 bucks, and then finally caught this move here. Actually, I was like, this isn't doing it now, and it always happens, man. Like I guarantee you, it always does the opposite. I ended up buying the dip like somewhere through here. I was like, oh yeah, this is just falling down to support again. So I ended up buying the dip here. Barely got away, and then I was like, nope, this is not the dip anymore. So then I went short, got some of this, and then I did go long way down here. That was my best trade probably. As soon as it broke 200, look how many red candles it had in a row. It broke 200 and went straight to 199. I was like, yeah, that's too much. So I ended up buying the dip right here. But I'm telling you, I cannot hold long at all. So I literally just bought the dip here and then I sold it like right here because I know I missed this flag and I missed this push. So that was a little frustrating. And I didn't play it big either, so oh well. 3 minutes till market opens. Also keeping a mom on watch to see what it wants to do. Short INTC. INTC. $25 low. This one looks like it's going for lows, all-time lows. Mike P, do you short too? It was a clean sport, became resistance at 1 p.m. on Tesla. You're gonna short INTC, Mike P, Mike P, Mike P. What's the size of your account right now? I don't think that matters. Enough to trade with. Jeez, I really do feel my shoulder. Morning, Zach. I signed up for a pro pickleball tournament. I'm gonna get my butt whooped, my butt kicked. AMV, another penny stock that has potential. I'm gonna throw it over here because I got an extra chart. Let me quickly glance at the daily on that one. 88 cents. Wow, it sold off really hard though. Like 3 days ago, went from 270s all the way down to 160s, then a gap down, and then continued lower. So I guess you're looking for the nice little dead cat bounce on that one. Oh wait, no, did it gap up already? No, no, no. Yeah, you're looking for a little bit of a dead cat bounce. Trying to hold that $1 on that one. AMV. Well, good morning, everybody. Everybody that's coming in a little later. Appreciate you guys being here. You guys have a minute to hit the like button over on YouTube. I guess we do have an FOMC meeting at 2 again. Is that 2 Eastern? I can't ever remember if you guys told me the times, Eastern or Central or Western or Northern or Southern or Eastern, 2 p.m. Eastern. You know, maybe for once I might come back and trade it. Depends on how I do this morning. It's just the minutes from a meeting they had a while ago, but yeah. Oh, so it's not even the actual meeting. It's just the little recap summary. All right, 30 seconds till market opens. Let me see what Tesla wants to do. Yesterday's close 197.37 always becomes a key level, so I'm watching that. NQ is also at that same level. I do have shorts on LAP, 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 whatever you guys want to call that stock. LAP, LAP, double LAP, double AA, LLAP, LA app, LAP, 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 whatever you guys want to call it. Market's open. Good morning, Easy Money. I see you in there. Tesla, do we catch a bounce on this thing? Does this thing really not want to sell off? I see a lot of people trading the opening range on Tesla, and I don't know how they do it. Like, within the first minute, they're like, oh yeah, boom, and then they get the first move candle. Like, see? Let's see here. Like that. They would have already bought there and sold there. Like, that's a dollar move. Holy crap. This looks weak. That looks weak to me. Yeah, there's no way I would ever do this with big size though. No way I would ever do this with big size here. Although NQ is selling off, going back down to that same low. Well, this is yesterday's close on Tesla though. We could catch a bounce here, so I'm gonna close this trade just 40 bucks. Played it with just 100 shares. LAP, I do have shorts available on this one, so I do want to see a pop on this one. And then Tesla rejected that level twice, so let's see if we get the break of 200 on Tesla actually. This candle's got 15 seconds left to close. I could see the break of 200 again real quick on Tesla. No, Come on, but give me a pullback. If we get a pullback down to here on Tesla, I might take some longs real quick. NQ is pushing pretty nice. I want to see if we get the break of 200 on Tesla. There's up to 200. Nope. Attempt number 2 here. 199.60s, 199.50s, 40s. I don't think that's gonna break it. I'm gonna take that quick, small trade there. Man, I hope LL pops because I located some shorts on this. Just okay. Do you market sell? I do. We did pop pretty strong off the lows there, off rejecting yesterday's close. So I could see Tesla get through 200 bucks, but if we reject $200, we could go right back down as well. NQ is still kind of pushing, so yesterday this is the level yesterday where we had a lot of bounces, and we ended up losing this level yesterday at the close and sold off after this level. So if we don't reclaim this level here, if we don't reclaim 200, I could see the move down lower again through VWAP. So right now, this $200 level is going to be a strong resistance. And so if we break 200, I'm going long. If we do not break 200, I'm looking for the break of 197.37 to the downside. Which to me, it looks like this might be it. NQ might be stuffing. I'm going to take some short there for the break of yesterday's low. Terrible fail. This is a nice stuff here. I want to see the fall through break of 197.37. Okay, so I have a lot of shares in here still. No. Please keep selling off. This is yesterday's. Oh, I gotta be patient. No, this thing is gonna reverse. Damn it. I'm still holding this. NQ selling off. I want to see the close under 197.37, but a lot of buyers coming in here. At that bottom spike real quick, I was up 600 bucks already. I'm gonna descale a little bit because I could see this going again, rejecting this level 197, pushing right back up. I'm gonna hold it here a little bit, 198.19. I'm gonna hold it at those highs. See if I do get this 197.37 to crack. That's yesterday's close, so there's gonna be a lot of pressure there. NQ selling off. So if I get the sell off through this level again and actually get to go, I could see it down to what it was at this 195 level, 195.8 if I get the sell off there. I tried holding a big majority of it, and I thought I was gonna get a nice little sell off there, but I didn't get it. I'm still holding it here though. This candle's about to close. I might get, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out right here. Dang it. Hoth. Somebody's calling that Hoth. I do have shorts available on. Oh, Hoth is actually looking pretty good. Hoth might actually be flagging right now. That looks like a nice flag using 3-3. Are you saying NQ? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still looking short Tesla through that 197.37 level. See if we get that push through that level there. Right here. This is where I want to see the sell off through this 197.37 level. This is going to tell me, are we really super strong on Tesla and this is going to catch another bounce, or do we get that sell off through this level? Yesterday's close, a lot of buyers here. I'm not trusting it so much. I'm grabbing quick little profits here. At this one, maybe the better trade could just be to take the long here and risk that. Take the long 197.37, take a little bit of a, if this pops up right away again though, after holding these many wicks right here, you can see all these wicks. If this pops up, we're going through 200. We could get a nice little push here through 200. NQ just shot up. Rome sees in some medical, so we could see a little bit of a pop on everything across the board. LAP, I'm not getting a bounce. I actually might be flipping long here on Tesla. Because of all those wicks down there, now I've switched to the long side. I want to see if we get the move back on up. I'm holding this. See if we get over 199.42 and maybe 200 bucks here. Do we get the move over 199.42 through $200? Quick little scalp. You could get a break of 200. Could pop up $1 real quick. Nope. Is this what it's going to be again? Chop Fest? Because of FOMC today? Okay, a lot of buyers stepped up there. 5 seconds left. Let's close strong. Could close a nice little pullback here. It could go straight to 200. Doesn't look like it wants to. So I'm going to take more on this tiny pop. Wow, there goes Hoth, guys. I'm not seeing anything else, though. Hoth is only one. Coin high a day. Did you get in some coin high a day as well? Spy testing 400s? I'm gonna close this Tesla. I think we're just chopping around again. I think we're gonna do the same thing we always do again now. This is the usual for Tesla. But you guys kind of see my plan right now. Tesla, either we break 200 and we continue, or we move on down and break this 197.37. Either direction, I think we're gonna get a nice little push. Fajicon AI pushing hard. I'm gonna replace SIDU because that one just flushed. AI is pushing pretty nice. NQ is still flying and Tesla's not. This is what I'm saying. This is the weird stuff we've been seeing. 5-minute chart on Tesla, the first stuff right there at 199. So that's what I'm watching. Hoth sold right back down. We just made a long. Hoth needs to break that 350 shorts. Yeah, so Hoth already has a pretty big stuff there. So I'd be a little careful with Hoth. You always take that first flag that I called out at 3-3, and then you take profits on the way up. But now that it's already actually pushed, I'd be a little cautious. Tesla, I might see still a pullback here. Maybe the long through this 199 through 400, but and that's just because I know that there was a lot of buy. Okay, here we go. Let's see. NQ is still pushing pretty nice. I'm like trying to switch my position because if I'm buying a breakout, I'm going to take it smaller. If I'm buying the dip, I'm going to take it a little bigger. So it's kind of annoying on Thinkorswim. By the way, a lot of you guys, WINT, look at WINT, guys. A little cheaper penny stock, but look at it. Tesla right back down to 197.37. Did we get the brick this time? NQ sold off there. SPY again stuffed. I want to see the breakdown of this 197.37 and then see if we get a flush. But I have no either break of 199 to the top side, either break 197 to the bottom side. I don't want to get chopped around on Tesla, but I'm trying to get starters in here to either break that low or get that high. This is so frustrating, guys. This is annoying. I'm sorry. WINT, though, pretty nice pop. I don't know why I'm apologizing for Tesla being choppy, but it's just I cannot get this thing to go either direction. At least in the chop, I'm up 400 bucks, but I did have one trade earlier for 600 that I closed it for $80 profit. So technically, could be up 1,000 even with this chop. So but I'm looking to find the one nice trade out of the breakout either direction, even if it reverses. WINT is still going. Kevin, are you in here today? I want to know if you shorted LAP or not. There goes Hoth again. If Hoth reclaims 3-3, Hoth might actually squeeze that 350. I think. How much average you put in a single trade? It depends, man. It depends. If I'm buying Tesla, I'm buying a lot of shares, so more amount. If I'm buying something smaller, then not as much. Here goes Tesla. Did we get the breakout here? Or is this going to sell back down? NQ is flying. Tesla's flying. Break of 200 maybe? Or is this going to chop around and going to sell off here again? 20 seconds left on this candle. Dang it. I hope it doesn't go right here. Could get the move through 200 real quick on Tesla. If we close over this 199.44, I might take a quick dip for the break of 200 on Tesla. Here's the last 4 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. This is increasing volume. Quick long there. Move through 200 here. Here's $200. There it goes. I want to see this continue though. I'm a little panic selling here though, but I'm going to put a stop. No, I don't want to do that because that's a lot of money still that I'm up on that trade. I want to take a little more. We cannot hold that 200 break. That was a weak break, and look at this. It's hovering under 200, so I do not like that. I really don't like this for the longs. Unless we get this one last push here, but I really do not like this. Okay, there it goes. Okay, fine. I love this. I absolutely love this. I actually love this. Ah, I sold a big portion of it because I got sketched out, man. There it is, guys. Break of 200, break of 199. This is what I tell all the time. You see, none of these candles held it until this one. I waited for that pullback, played it there, and now we got a nice dollar move here. I might be closing it fully here, though. This is still not looking the best. I'm getting out $750 so far. Can you not hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Kevin, how the heck did you short L at, bro? Bro, I located shares on LAP and I'm look. Oh, there goes Hoth. Guys, when you see stuffs and you see reclaims of levels, that scares the crap out of shorts, right? Hoth. Hoth, I said if this thing gets back over 3.3, watch the move to 350. I honestly want to flip short on Tesla up here. I mean, I could see the bounce of 199 again, but okay, so it looks like several people can hear me, so Spankle Ninja Christie might be on your end over there. Hopefully you guys got some of that Tesla trade there with me. Just clean levels this morning. I'm seeing that 199.42, and I was seeing this 197.37. Whichever one breaks and holds first, I'm taking that long to the top side. All right, Bo took that long. Okay. Anybody in my streams here for the very first time? This is yo, we use Webull. Yeah, Webull should be a good platform. Tech and Money. Here, this is the retest of 199.42 down here, but I don't know if this Tesla wants to keep on running. Volume died on these two red candles down, so if I get a good pullback, I might take some longs. Oh, here we go. Didn't mean to fill there, but there's a buyer stepped in at that 199.42. I got a very high fill here though, so I might. This right here was a very bad fill. I'm closing that real quick, losing $100 there real quick. NQ selling off. I might take Tesla back on down. That break of 200 was weak. We didn't run anymore. I don't see this pushing up maybe much more. In fact, it's tucking right under that 192.99 level again. I think we tucked under 200 on Tesla, so I might be taking some more shorts here. NQ sold off pretty nice there. I see more sellers here, so I don't know how this is not cracking down through VWAP. Here it goes. Here it goes. Want to see this wash through VWAP potentially. 300 shares here still. A lot of buyers still down there. Yeah, I'm gonna close this. This might shoot up. Oh, I lost 40 bucks on that trade. Let's see. Let's see. Going to add big red candles on Hoth. Shorts are in. Oh no, that's the move I was looking for right here. Dang it, that's the little pop drop down that I wanted right there. Dang it. Bro, what do you do for a living? This? Tesla looking stuffed on the 5-minute, and then on the 15-minute looks very stuffed. So I could see this move back down to that 197 again. NQ selling off pretty nice. I want to see Tesla back down to 197.37 again, same level. So any pop here, I might be adding short for the move back on down. This candle is looking pretty heavy here. Even up here was looking heavy, but I missed this move here. I was in already, but I got chopped out of it. I should have been already in here. So here, looking for pops to short. VWAP pop. This kind of trendline rejection pop. NQ's pulling down pretty aggressively. SPY is kind of up there, but Tesla I'm looking down 197.37 again. Here goes 197 here, 198. Get the break of 198. There goes back down to 197. I'll take some small out. That 197 there's any area for next dip buy. Next dip buy, or if this wants to be weak, it'll sell off right through that level. Not sell off, but you could end up rejecting this level here and then move lower. So I'm still holding most of this position here, looking for that 197.37 again. So that would be my final target. So I'm taking them out as close as possible down here. But you know the buyers are there, so buyers are going to step in here. But if we get all these buyers here to get out, we could get a nice follow through lower again. See, buyers are already stepping in there. So ideally here, I want to see maybe a small rejection. Two scenarios. Either we flush right through 197.37, get the dip retest for the next short, or we kind of bounce off of 197, and this gives us a nice flag up here for the next move down through 197.37 again. But this is looking pretty heavy here. Tape is nothing but red orders coming through. It's trying to catch that little bit of a bounce here. NQ is pushing down lower, and so here it goes, right back down to 197.37. There it is. Buyers are going to be all in here. So I've been playing the same two lines all day. Here it goes. I didn't sell any there. I thought we could continue sell off. 197.37 had a lot of buyers earlier. Could get a nice little sell off. After this, I guess I was looking 195, which kind of scares me because that's, wait, no. Oh, this is the one that scared me. So continue sell off here. Let me drop this down a little bit and take small amounts because this could keep running. Looking for this double top bottom here. There it goes. Dang it. The big share size I added up here and I let it go. This is going to get one more push down. Right here. Covering on these dips. There it goes, straight to 195. That's what I was looking for, but I did get some profit back and then I made it back, but I do not trade options. I'm trading shares. You can see up here. Which trading platform do you use? This is Thinkorswim platform. I'm still holding like 20 shares, so I'm just gonna close that back up to 760. Nice dip for you guys holding shorts. Let me see. What are you calling when you say NQ? The Nasdaq. The Nasdaq future, which I don't trade it, but the Nasdaq future. Tesla is looking pretty weak still, so I don't know if we get a nice pop to retest this 197.37 level. We could catch another leg down. It is pretty being down, so maybe we try to get the blow off over 197.37, but that's where shorts might be entering again, so kind of a peer-ish in this area. Maybe could get one more leg down. Sitting at $700 right now, but man, it's the same thing, dude. Every day, 700 bucks. Every day, 800 bucks. I did give some back, and I was up 600, you know. Today I did scalp it more a little bit. I mean, I had my lines, but I tried scalping a little bit more. Here's another leg down. Let's look at the daily. Let's see where this thing can head to. Next level, 192 on the daily, but my 15-minute low of pre-market is 195. 195, little nice bottom there, and then spike down to 195.30s. So here's ideally where you could catch a nice flag under this resistance, you know, the support. You could take some nice shorts here again, but I didn't get the pop as much as I wanted it to. Full-time trader, yes, yes, yes. Kevin, I don't know how you nailed the LLAP, man. It's frustrating me that I located shorts on that thing. And then AI also, I think Rome C was looking at AI, or somebody called AI, maybe Fat G did. I don't want to try to catch a bounce on Tesla, but this is not really selling off that crazy. Dang it, dude. I took the nice short up here, like 500 or yeah, up here, dude. 190.40s all the way down to 196. 199.40, sorry, 196. That's a $3 move. NQ is selling off. Tesla's selling off pretty nice. All of this, guys, so I say, like, pay attention to the stock, pay attention to the candles, pay attention to how it's moving. You know, you get like, the more you do this, the more experience you get. You also start realizing that's a weak break, right? Broke 200 bucks. Since it broke $200, this initial candle broke 200 and tugged under 200. I knew that this thing was weak. You know, I was like, that's a weak break. That's a weak break. I'm gonna try to milk this move here on the long, but I'm gonna close it out and try to test and maybe trying to catch a nice bounce off that low there. I was like, that's a weak break on Tesla. So as soon as I was able to set up for a nice short trade because of that weak $200 break, I was confident in taking a nice short trade. Caught this little quick scalp here on Tesla. A little bounce there. Had my trend line there. This thing inverted hammer there, or nice hammer candle there. Caught this move back up. I'm still holding 100 shares. I could get the move back up to 197, but I'm going to take it slow here. It's a weak to catch a bounce. Yeah, I'm taking that. So added a little bit of profit, but not much. But that was a weak $200 break. Even the second it broke, I was like, this is weak. Even though I was long, I was like, that's a weak break. That's a weak break. As soon as it gave back down, retested this area, and then tucked under 200, I was like, yep, I'm in short. So I added shorts. Did a bad job at holding that first trade short there, but Yeah, for real, because the average person could look at the chart and say, hell no, it looks complicated, and goes back to his 9 to 5. Do you prefer Thinkorswim or over Weeble? I do, yes, but that's because I've never used Weeble, and so I wouldn't, obviously I'm a little bit of an unfair, biased opinion. But, I mean, they're both free brokers, they're both commission free, they're both pretty well known, pretty popular brokers. So honestly, if you went with Webull, then no problem. If you guys do want to learn how to trade, I know some of you guys are beginners. I do offer a course. You guys see me make $100 just today, free, all free. So if you guys want to learn from me, I do offer a course, and the discount's currently running, so 150 off at checkout page. And if you guys use Thinkorswim, I have a whole section in my course that goes over Thinkorswim. So I explain how to set it up, how to put your gadgets where, how to modify it, how to add studies, remove studies, how to buy, sell, hotkeys, how to optimize the platform to be faster, just all of that stuff. And then on top of that, in the course, you get everything else as far as trading, beginner day trading, how to read candles and patterns and strategies and tape and level 2 and all of that stuff. So all of that is included with the course, one-time payment. And the big plus is you guys have unlimited mentorship. If you guys are in my course, you guys get unlimited mentorship. If you're gonna hop on a call, I hop on a call. If you need help explaining something, I'll explain it. If you need an extra topic that was not covered in my video, you tell me, I make that video for you guys. Add them to the course, no extra payments. Everything is you just pay once, you get all of that. So if you guys want to learn from me and want to have me as your mentor, then that link is in the TikTok bio, YouTube bio, all that stuff. Can I make the course for TWS? Uh, Trade Workstation, that other platform? Yeah, and market tanking right now. Yeah, I wish I was still holding some shorts. Any penny stocks moving? Yeah, so if you guys have any questions about my course, you guys let me know now, and I'm gonna tell you guys with the discount, you're gonna be paying almost 300 bucks. It's right under 300 bucks. But you guys go and find anybody else out there and anybody else's course out there. They're charging you 500, 600 bucks. I've seen as much as 800, $3,000 for the well-known people. But and then if you're buying a course that's like $50, then you're obviously getting scammed, guys. So I'm gonna make you guys put some money in, so you guys dedicate towards it, study it, really put your attention to it, not blow it off. But you also get the mentorship, so that in itself is a big plus. Some people charge 100, 200 bucks for an hour of talking to you. You pay 300 bucks, you have me forever. Getting my burger money from Wint. I saw Wint squeezing, but I didn't. Oh, look at this pivot. What the heck? Please tell me somebody know this Wint pivot. I mean, look at this picture perfect pivot right there. Tradecaster people, how you guys doing, man? Everybody on Tradecaster, look at this pivot on Wint. How did I miss that? Oh, because my chart on the side doesn't show it. Look at this. It's right there. It was like this. I didn't see it. On my 1 minute chart, I mostly have just the action so I can kind of see it real quick. Um, Tesla's slowly fading. I don't know what to do. Currently red on meta calls, but still holding. Small red for build a guy. That's okay, build a guy. You've killed it recently. I think you had a red day yesterday, but so bigger time frame on Tesla. When this thing's stuffed here, this kind of close here, and then this one's stuffed. That's when I started adding to the short and got the move back down to 195. I had pretty good conviction on this trade. I don't know if I said that right, so I should have held at least a little lower. I'm debating if, just for my mental game, if I should just take 800 bucks or if I should just YOLO this thing and try to get 1,000. These are solid days still. I take $800 a day any day. Oh, why did it sign me out? Remember me. That was weird. Man, 1K, bro. If I find a good, do you trade forex or crypto? No, this is just stocks. But honestly, guys, also this is not a biased opinion because I did trade forex and I started with forex. 1,000% stocks are better. 1,000% stocks are better than forex. Coin back in my buying range. Oh man, I'm out for 2 months and I get back and you're live and you selling courses. What happened, bro? Bro, I've been selling the course for like 4 or 5 months. Everybody hates on me selling a course, but I stream for free. You guys can see it, and I am not doing it to scam people. I just need a little extra money right now because I do have some huge freaking doctor bills to pay. Kind of frustrating, actually. Just the whole thing is not frustrating, but upsetting. People really hate paying for other people's knowledge and experience. What's up, Chris? Welcome in, welcome in. Definitely stocks over forex. Definitely. Tesla still look. You can get everything free on YouTube or the web. That's another thing. I always tell people that. If you want to learn on your own, then go ahead. It might take you longer. You might find people telling you two different things. That's what happened to me. You might have to maybe take extra losses in your learning curve. That's what I did. But if you want to take that route, then go ahead. If you want to get a mentor and learn everything in just as little as a month or 2 months, then there's my course. And then to have me to help you review your trades, talk you through them, or stuff like that. Then there's also that. Tesla, what a sell-off now. I forgot I still had some put spreads on Tesla, which I will be very surprised if one of these hits because I've been holding this one for a while. Actually, it's back in the green. It was a 195, 197 and a half put spread from March 3rd. This thing was down like 800 bucks and now it's back in the green. Crazy. Cuz I got it. Oh, whoa. Again, this is a day that should have been 2K. Look at this. You've got to be kidding me, bro. Holy crap. One, shoot, oh my gosh. I don't want to be on the end of this, but any of these look like nice bounces, honestly. 192 had a lot of support in the last couple days. There was 2 days where it bottomed out at 192. Oh, sorry about that, Argent Trader. J Hart up 1200 on Tesla. Good stuff, man. I missed that for sure. NQ is straight up selling. I don't know what to do here, though. I mean, I guess I could have taken some shorts here, but kind of let off the gas noting I was up 800 bucks, so that was on me. Definitely on me. Wint is winding up for another run. I do see Wint, little flat top there, 31.44. So my thoughts on Tesla right now. 192 area here was big support. If you guys see my 15-minute time frame, so we're at 192, and if you look left, this little 192, 192, 92, 92, 92, 92. Flush reclaimed it. Flush reclaimed it. So 192 could get the bounce on Tesla today. But obviously you don't want to catch a falling knife, so I'm going to be watching here. If we get another attempt to sell off and doesn't sell off, this right here was a big move already from 196 to 192. Well, actually, this is the move that I said scared me because it was so big. And look at this, it did it in 3 candles. So this is what I want to see, Tesla. Did we get the sell off here, or is this actually going to bounce here? Lost a little there. Tried going for a quick long. Went. Corey, you just called it, man. So I just got a little faked out there twice, but I could see now the little bounce. Oh, I just had a mini heart attack there. My thinkorswim froze, but I think it was my internet overall froze. Oh, I just had a mini heart attack there. NQ is still going for lows, so I tried taking a little short there on Tesla, didn't get it, so I gave back like 80 bucks profit real quick, which is not bad. Who just mentioned Wint though? Corey did, right? Yeah, you got 100 bucks out of it. Good stuff, good stuff. Tesla looks like it wants another low. Oh my gosh. I missed this one too, and I saw this one right in front of my eyes. But does it hold that double bottom? That's a weak breakdown. There it is. You know, that's a weak breakdown. As long as this doesn't really flush right back on down, but that's a weak break on the 1 minute. Even though it's a lot of volume, but also because it sold off and then a lot of volume came and pushed it back up. So I could see Tesla trying to catch a bottom here, 192. We might get a pop back up to 195 or something. So I am probably looking for dips on Tesla now. Look at that. Look at that weak breakdown and then right back on up. My next trade would be maybe break this tiny little pivot and see if we get a nice pop. So here. I really wish. Nope. I really wish you could have given me a chance to buy you though. I might still take a quick little long here though. If it got me a pullback here. There we go. NQ is also trying to catch a bounce. So I'm looking for a Tesla little bounce through this level here. See if we get a nice pop. I'm in small size, not that much. No, NQ went right back down. But here's the difference. Look at this. NQ's hitting a new low right now and Tesla's not. Again. Just trying to catch a little bounce on Tesla, but I added too high. I only have 100 shares. I'm gonna close them though. So I get back another 40 bucks. Tesla has no energy today, but look at the 5-minute chart though. I could see a bounce. I want to catch a bounce on this thing because once we get the bounce, this thing can pop up 195 again. I just don't know how much this is going to sell off. But then again, when it started running, I never thought this thing would run so much, and then it just ran and ran and ran. The bounce is coming. I might take the next kind of breakdown that tries to have, like sell off here. I might take that long, depending on how it breaks out. But look at these green candles, no volume here. Here we go, here we go. 10 seconds left on this one. I want to see the break of 193.50. Could go up 194.50. Maybe get a quick little dollar here. Okay, there it goes. Snatch that little pullback there. I want to see the break of 193.50s though. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Selling a little bit since it likes to chop around today. But I got 150 shares left. Still not the biggest size, but I want that pop through 193.50s there. That little flat top there that's a nice close still. It's looking good here. Looking good here. At least test this 193.50s and I'll take some out there and see if we get the break out of that level. Here goes. Watching it, taking some off there. There it is. And then I might leave these little 100 runners here, see if we get the pop out of this level. There we go. Who called the Dart Mix? Dart Mix. There we go. The bounce is coming. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the bounce. We got it. 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 We got the bounce. We got the big old bounce. As soon as I started having that weak breakdown, I knew that this thing would bounce. It was just a matter of finding the good entry and catching it. So I'm still in here, 50 shares, seeing if I can milk this out, maybe get up to $900 profit, which is another extra 40 bucks, 30 bucks here. Could get another push here. A lot of shorts were adding down there, so I was saying maybe push back up to 195. So I'm holding this tight a little bit, as tight as my shoulder feels right now. I think he will come down. No time for him to use this, so 1 minute, but I do use the 5. Oh, here we go. I use the 5, the 15, the daily, the 1 minute. NQ also got that nice bounce too there. Dark Mix, did you catch this Tesla bounce there? Hopefully you did. Tesla likes to retrace to VWAP. Okay. I think this 195, 196 area might be tough. You're still holding. Dang, good stuff, man. Good stuff. I took most of it out, but I might be getting fully out here. You know I scalp it, so this should get a pullback here. So last little pushes here, I might be getting fully out. I was kind of looking 195, so at least I almost got it. I fully took that. Corey, what's up, Corey? What Corey do? Corey's up 15 grand? Just kidding. Good stuff. Dark Mix, good stuff. We nailed it. Good trading on Tesla today. If this goes to VWAP, Dark Mix. Well done, well done, well done. LAP, I never added, man. I never added LAP. Bro, it's so hard to trade so many things. It's either I trade Tesla, or it's either I short, or it's either I go long on penny stocks. The longs on penny stocks I still like. The only one that I missed today that I was like, oh, I really like that is Wint. You know, that pivot. But I never saw it. My lines weren't there. Good exit on your Tesla long at the tops this morning, Juan. Thanks. Thank you. Oh, up here when I said that break was $200 break was weak. Yeah. So I'm telling you guys got to stare at the stock and really figure out what it's trying to do, what it's trying to act like. So let me see. I don't like this song. Nobody wants to listen to Drake. Let me change it. Let's go back to Bad Bunny, baby. Anybody listening to Bad Bunny at the same time as I am right now? Does anybody not know who Bad Bunny is? You guys have to know who Bad Bunny is. So sitting at $876 on the day. Two-day week so far, sitting up 1600. Month sitting just under 5. But I had two big losses. Jeez, I'd be sitting at another five-figure month without them. All right, Dark Mace, are you adding 192.46 average at 1? Oh, what the heck, bro? SCT-99's got an average of 192.46 on Tesla. Dude, some of you guys have like incredible hands. I don't. I wish I was good at holding. I wish I knew when the good trade was coming so I could actually hold it, but I do not, bro. I let go things so fast. I always wonder if I would have started trading large caps first, if I would have been able to hold better and get some better profits. Like today, man, this trade right here is upsetting one. I'll show you guys this one. This one. Saw the weak break of 200. Got it. Tried going one more step, attempt long. Nope. Sold off. Going short now. Went short here. Covered right there, man. Like this right here should have been a trade where everybody's like, "Oh yeah, this is my stop right here." You know, so I'm not gonna stop unless it goes up here, and then my profit's gonna be double that, so or triple that or quadruple that. So my profit's gonna be down here, but I'm not stopping out unless it goes over this level here, and that's my trade. You know, those people sometimes. Yeah, I don't like trading like that, but those people sometimes are the way that you catch these bigger moves. But I never traded like that. But these 400 shares in at 199.38, even just down to 197. You know, that's 800 bucks just in that trade. And then down to another $2 here, that's 1600. Down another $2 here, that's 2400. Anyways, do we think Tesla's still weak on the day? NQ right back down. Wow. Tesla, my next. So I had this 192 level off the 15-minute chart frame. Um, but I think at this point I want to go ahead and ignore it. So I don't like to clutter my charts. So now I'm between this 193.50 and this low of 192 exactly. So if we go back in this range, I could see this move back down to 192 again. And then potentially new low. I don't even know when the lowest low of Tesla is because it hasn't marked that low yet. So 189 shows the low of Tesla. It's pretty far off still. So here it goes. NQ's about to hit the new low day. Wow. Shoot, I closed my long right there. Sorry, Dark Mix. That's how trading is sometimes. You win, I win. We both can't ever win at the same time. We both never win. Oh. Alright, good stuff, good stuff. I might look for one more trade, see if I get up 900, 1,000, but I do not want to go under 800 bucks profit now. It's getting later in the day. It's been an hour trading here, so sell now. I'm not in. Anybody have any questions on TikTok? Anybody have any questions in general for trading? Want to learn? Want a course? Anything? Nobody? It's going back down to the lows. NQ already hit the lows, so I just don't know if Tesla will sell off to this level. If we do sell off pretty crazy, man, 190 would be the next target. Holy crap. This actually wants to go through this low again. Okay, big buyers there. Buyers stepping in, buyers stepping in. Let's see if we get a little add up here. Maybe a little bear flag, tiny bear flag here. 1, 2, 3 minutes here for the breakdown if we get it. Enki's trying to pop. I do like that they're both trading in tandem. So you need to plan when entering a trade. Watching you trading is just a nice course. Bro, don't say that, dude. I'm gonna start charging. I'm gonna start charging $100 a month so you guys can watch me. Otherwise, you don't get none of it. Quick scalp there, $50. Now up $900. Okay, scalping this thing, scalping this thing. Red to green, let's go, build a guy. Mohammed, Mohammed. Laughing, you think you're laughing? You're not gonna be laughing when you gotta pay $100 a month. Boy, what you laughing at? Bro, I am in love with this hat. Not just because I made it and designed it, but I am in love with this hat. It's pretty clean. It is getting kind of hot though. Good stuff, Builder Guy. We need your support. Good stuff, Builder Guy. Dark Mix, Builder Guy, or anybody trading Tesla, did you guys kind of attempted a double bottom there? Because I didn't. I would have gone for the short again. I added a little short, got a quick scalp there, but there was no way I was taking a long there. The stock is downtrending all day. I'm not gonna push it, so I would not have taken that double bottom there. Caught the double bottom long, had my finger on the flatten button. There you go. Good stuff, good stuff. Hat does look good. Thank you, Chicago Trader. Thank you, thank you. NQ, sorry, not MQ. NQ also caught that little bit of a bounce. I think at this point, I mean, there's really no need for me to aim for 1,000. I think I might call it at 900, $907. It's another solid day. Pretty much almost $1,000. So I'm happy with that. I really think I'm gonna have to buy that laptop because I think streaming and doing all this with my computer is putting too much stress on it that it's actually making my stuff lag. I just had another quick lag there on Thinkorswim and everything all across the board. So, how is everybody today so far? I know Builder Guy just went red to green, but everybody else, YouTube people, TikTok people. Tradecaster people, how are we doing? Oh, look at Tesla, right back down though. There's 83 of you guys in here in YouTube. There's how many on TikTok? Oh, I can't see right now because I didn't see it. I'm gonna dip by wanting to see a weak dip first though. Yeah, yeah. So if you get that red to green, Amy Young, there we go, Amy. Hopefully you traded pretty good today, Amy. And if it's green, I don't care how much it is. If there's no more trades today, don't be afraid to walk away. I could see one Tesla here. I might keep an eye on it for the rest of the day. Usually when I'm up green 255 Tesla small size today. There we go. Chris made 400 some off SPY and Tesla. Now I gotta go to school. I like it. Yo, enjoy watching you learning with a small account. Awesome. Going for liquidation. Kyle, good stuff, man. Good stuff. If you have any questions, Kyle, let me know. If you have any questions, join the Discord. Let me know. Everybody out there, if you guys want to learn from me, I do offer my course, so you guys can get my course. Have me for full mentorship. One-time payment on that. And yep. As far as today, I mean, if we break this low on Tesla and really sell off, I might just say 190. You know, the next $10 off of 200, 190 might be the next level. But to me, this selling pressure seemed like it died. So you see every time it sold off, that volume increase, sold off here, volume increase, sold off here, big time, volume increased, the biggest volume all day on that candle there. And then now on this sell-off, you know, that's stagnant volume. On this sell-off here, actually dropped a little volume. Through here, again, trying back down for the lows, volume decrease. So this is what I'm kind of pointing at for you guys. It's pretty interesting. So I'm telling you, when you guys got to look at everything, you guys got to look at everything. And if you guys are beginners and you're like, dude, that's too much, how do you look at it? You start noticing it, right? So sell off here, increased volume. Sell off, or was it here? Increased volume. Big sell off here, increased volume. Sell off here for the new lows, decreased volume. Sell off here for the new lows, stagnant volume. Sell off here for the new lows, stagnant volume. You see it? Sold off, check. Sold off, check. Sold off, check. Increased volume, check. Check, check. Sold off, new low, increased volume, nope. Reverse. Sold off, increased volume, nope. New low, nope. Sold off, increased volume, nope. New low, nope. And look at that. Trust me, guys, it gets easier. The more you trade, the more you look at everything, and you do it like unconsciously. You do it unconsciously. Did I say that right? Oh, you guys can't see it on TikTok. Hey, well, look at the time frame right now. It is 9:40 on my candles. So if you guys go over to YouTube, because that's a pretty good little demonstration, quick demonstration there. If you guys go over to, oh, look at this downtrend break. Oh, this looks nice. Now that we broke downtrend, now we look for the dip again, and then that next leg up. If you guys are watching on TikTok right now, you guys can go over to YouTube, and every video is recorded and stored in there. So if you guys go back, you could see that exact same video that I just showed right here. Tesla, nice little double bottom there, and broke trend line on the day. So I could be looking for a dip, one more dip to the long side here. I need to get consistent like Juan, then I'm set. Nobody trades CVRX yet. CVRX. I almost took that dip right there just because of this. A CVRX. No, I did not, Romsey. I did not, Romsey. No, I did not. I almost took this tiny dip right here. Oh. Can you be a successful day trader without short selling? Yeah. And either way, well, short selling like penny stocks, because you know all the money right now that I've been making is all from just small trading large caps mostly. I think your biggest problem is stop losses. I tend to scale up or down. Yep, that's the biggest problem everybody does. They don't want to be wrong. You don't want to be wrong on the trade. You don't want to lose money and then you end up losing more. So that's what happens. But you get used to it. You start just saying, "Oh, I'm wrong," out, and then try it again, try it again. Went again. Went's holding VWAP, not the best right now. Broker, TD Ameritrade, currencies. I trade stocks, not currencies. What's Tesla looking like? To me, it looks like a little bounce off that 192. Everybody else new coming here, whether you guys are here for the first time or not. Let's see how many people I got. Not guys, just in general. I do this every day. I trade live every single morning, completely free. You guys don't have to pay anything for me to watch me trade live. A lot of people charge for this, so all I appreciate is you guys hit the like button, follow me on TikTok, leave some comments on my videos, leave some comments on my YouTube videos, all that stuff. And then if you really want to learn, I do offer that course as well. So if you guys want to learn off of me, my course is in the TikTok bio. You guys see me make 900 bucks today, so. And still on the year, I've only had 3 red days. Yeah, 2 of those were but still pretty impressive trading so far this year. So I know TikTok can't see unless I scoot it up here. But there it is, TikTok and everybody else. This is my stats for the year so far. Red day here, red day here, red day here, and then these little gray ones were holidays. So we just had holiday for President's Day. This was MLK, and this was New Year's. So I only trade the market open, but Bo, a lot of the people here trade all day, and even I still look at the market. It's not like I completely shut down unless I'm red on the day, but a lot of us do trade most of the day, or keep an eye on the stock most of the day, stock market all most of the day. So if you guys want to go on my Discord, please join my Discord, guys. You guys stay active there. Rome's always there. Fadji's always there. Fadji, I haven't heard from you. Are you too busy with the shorting, man? Fadji, you used to be on the YouTube. What would be a good amount to start day trading a cash account for small and large caps? Small accounts, you could use 1 to 2, maybe 3, 4,000 to be a little more comfortable. Some of the stocks that I trade, I even use the same amount because you can make decent gains with that. Like Hoth, if I go look at Hoth today, for example, Hoth, if you would have bought with $1,000 here, I mean 1,000 shares, that's $3,000. But this thing went up to here, so with $3,000 you could have made this whole move here, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 400 bucks. Yeah, I figured, Fat G. You're still in here though. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thanks for the view. I know you're grinding it over there. What did you short today? Please tell me you shorted Hoth, bro. Look at Hoth. I'm sure you got some of it. Anyways, Bo, join my Discord. I can send you the link if you don't have it, but we always hang out in my Discord after trading, and I don't charge anything for that either. So this is my Discord here. This is my Discord here. We're always in here, come in here and chat with us during the day. Day trading, this is where we start chatting. Some people were even here this morning, they're always here. Kip is always here. Neith is here. Kevin there. Fat G right here. Focus dialed in, shorting. Kevin posted a little chart there. Post your profits and losses here. Oh, I was like, what the heck? You already made 2 grand on this, but it was paper trading. Hey, but you got that pop on hot. There we go. Small trades on Tesla. So you guys can come in here and post your P&L. And it's all free. I don't charge anything on that Discord either. There you go. Man, I did miss Hoth to the short side, Fat G. Yeah, yeah. Do you need the Discord link? I'll post it here for anybody. If you guys are watching on TikTok, I cannot post Discord links on there. For some reason, it just doesn't let me on the chat. So you guys got to go over to my you guys got to go over to my TikTok link, my bio, TikTok bio, and then click the link there. As far as today, guys, Tesla, we could have gotten a couple more bounces down here, but I think overall it's gonna start chopping for the rest of the day. So I think I'm done. You know, you could still get a lot of shares through here comfortably. You see all these orders going through. I could get in, get out with 500 shares, which is a lot, but you're not gonna expect big moves. So it's more like kind of trading with the trend now, as opposed to here. I can get in, get out, and it's flushing $1 at a time. So LLLA pop. I might keep an eye on LLAP, just because I located shares, but they were so cheap. They were like eighth of a penny or something like that. So I barely paid anything. But a little upset about that one. Hoth is the one that I should have gone short on. And that one I did mention, it had already stuffed once, but we reclaimed. That's when you take the long and get their high days. And then stuffed again, so I could have taken some shorts up here and then trailed this back on down. That would have been a nice trade there. But either way, I think I'm done for the day, guys. Is it paid? No, my Discord's all free. You know that. Fars was your name actually Farzard, man? No, your name's Elias. Is your name Elias? Your name has to be Elias. 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 Elias, right? So, can I copy create trade? I do not recommend it. Oh, Elias is your son's name. Okay. Hey man, do you teach people how to trade? I do. Buyers are in full control of Went, it's kind of climbing back up. I do teach people how to trade. I just went over it earlier. I do offer my course. It's in the TikTok bio link. You one-time payment for the course. You get full mentorship, review your trades. If you need to hop on a call, hop on a call. If you need help setting up stuff on your platform, I can do that as well. You get videos from complete beginner, brokers, account types, how to manage cash account, how to do all that stuff, and then strategies, patterns, trading, level 2 tape, all of that in one-time payment, no extra fees. If there's any topics I miss and you need them, you ask me, I make them for you. Just anything in general like that, you have me, one-time payment, no additional charges at all. So, all right, awesome, Bo. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Oh, Kyle, you posted my Discord. Awesome, man. Oh, you can post. Oh, I guess you can copy it like that, but not like clickable link. I didn't know that. Awesome, though. Well, it depends on the stock, man. If you buy, like for example, for me to buy 1,000 shares of Wint, it's 1,000, and the stock is 34 cents each. So if I buy 1,000 times 34, that's $340, I think. If I buy Wint is gonna go for another high. Watch it. You got a nice flat top breakout here. Look at that. Orders 500 there on the tape. 300, 350, 200 at 35, 300 again, 130. All those orders get filled. This is going through high at 35 cents. That's what you got to watch on these penny stocks. 35, 250 orders there. 100, 77. It's about to break. 3 broke. Can we get high there? I hate this song. There's high day. There's a squeeze. There's that squeeze. Looking at that level 2. There it is. Went. Went. What was I saying though? Oh, anyways, course in the disc. But for the course, use 150 off at checkout page. 150 OFF. You get $150 off. Who just mentioned that went again? Was it Corey again? Corey's been all over Went today. Went is moving today on patent approval news. I try not to be biased, but seems like it's important. The news is huge. This is my third run with Went. There you go, Michael Crystal. Oh, Corey got another chunk of that too. Awesome. Michael and Corey got that move on Went again. Um, I'm up $907. I don't think I need to risk anything today. How's the drone, bro? Dude, it's so fun. I finally can fly it full manual in person, and I flew it in full manual. I kid you not, I was going 90 miles an hour. I looked at the thing and it said like 80 something. It's insane. My friend, I want somebody to fly it as well though, cuz I want to see how fast it is, bro. Like I have my goggles on so I can't see anything and I'm flying just normal, I see everything flying. I actually flew it in like it was pretty not dangerous, but like into the apartments. I flew it down to the street and I was flying like the trees on the side, cars on the side, stuff. So it's kind of just showing him off real quick. Flew it for like 10 minutes real quick. But he was watching me fly it, and he said that thing was just literally like boom right in front of his eyes, and it doesn't feel like I'm going that fast, so it's crazy. I don't suggest you copy trade, but I always point out my thoughts, opinions, and stuff, but do not suggest you do that. I can help you, I can teach you how to trade, and what happens if I stop streaming. So, what happens if I stop streaming, or what happens if I charge $500 a month to stream, and then you don't have $500 a month? So, I'm kidding. Anyways, you guys see the chop on Tesla now. No need for me to stay here. Amy Young, winking at you. What's the price for the course? It's $300, and I guarantee you there's nobody out there that's selling it for cheaper than that. And if they are selling it for cheaper than that, they are not trading live and cannot prove consistency themselves. So I'm sorry I have to charge for it. I paid a lot of stuff for it. A camera, a whiteboard, stuff like that. I took a lot of months of hard work to make it. I pay monthly subscriptions for the website where I sell it on that I have to pay, and then it takes a lot of my time to really, every time anybody in my course is like, hey, can I hop on a call with you? Yeah, and if it's a 15-minute call, it's a 15-minute call. If it's an hour call, it's an hour call. But I help them out. I go over the trades. I tell them what to fix, what to work on, and stuff. And so I really do spend that time with them, which $300. If you're gonna take this seriously and you want to learn, $300 is your investment to start learning. You're not gonna go and play golf and start playing golf, and you're gonna buy the $5 club at Goodwill. Right? Oh, actually, you might, but eventually you gotta pay $50 for the range, and then you gotta pay $80 for the course to play the actual course, 18 holes, and then you gotta go back and play again, another $80, or you gotta pay the club membership, or you gotta buy the new clubs, you gotta buy the new bag, you're in way more than $300. Are you gonna make money golfing unless you become a pro? Can you make money day trading? Yeah, you can. So, just things like that where I have to charge for it. I need you guys to take it seriously. If I charge $30 for the course, yeah, I'm gonna sell it like crazy, but it's gonna be too many people for me to focus on, really work on, and I know half of them aren't even going to finish the course. They're just gonna pay $30, be like, this isn't for me. Oh, I lost $30. Oh well. So but then again, like I said, so people lose more than 300 just trying to catch trades rather than investing the 300 to learn before they learn. That's also very true, Rodrigo. There's so many people that want to learn and they come to me first and they're like, "Look, man, I tried trading. I lost 3 grand. Can you help me now? Or can you tell me what to do?" And I'm like, "Dude, I could have helped you from the very beginning, but no, if you're gonna be stubborn and go lose it all." You guys follow me on Instagram too. I've been wanting, cause I like helping you guys too, not just for selling the course. I've been wanting to like a random day on Instagram, just post an extra little discount for you guys. Usually the course is 300. Maybe I drop it down to like 250 or 200, but only allow like 3 people to use the discount. If you guys see it and get it, that's it. You got it. Congrats. If not, that discount closes. So I might do that every once in a while. That'd be nice. Anyways, though, what's up, Cody? You just not hopping in here? Oh, by the way, I do have that. If you guys want to sell my course, I'm actually pretty generous on it. I think I offer 25%. I can change it to whatever you guys want. If you guys are in my course and you guys want to sell my course for me, if you guys take it seriously, I'll give you guys a pretty good discount as well. I mean, a pretty good commission affiliate program. So if you guys are in my course and want to sell it, Boss man was keeping you busy. So for those, I don't really say it. I mean, I work on the course to really work on the people that are in it. But if you guys want to sell it and try to get affiliate program out of it, you guys can send me a DM as well. So for every person you get to buy the course through your link, and then you get 20-30% of that. Flash it again, por favor. Hey, any plans for FOMC and S&P? Probably not. I'm up pretty nice. No need for me to do that. So this one doesn't have my logo, but I'd like it anyways because I always had this idea of making the green with the greens and red with the reds. But it's like a bullish hat with the little bull there. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to see the camera because it's like 2 or 3 seconds delayed. So there it is. A little bullish there, and then the other one's gonna be bearish with the bear, and then this one's got a green strap in the back, and then the other one's got a red strap in the back. But I kind of designed it myself. I told them what I wanted. I went with a higher quality. I think I'm still kind of tweaking this. I didn't really like this color green, so they're sending me another sample with a different green. This kind of looks minty. It kind of grew on me a lot though, because at first I was like, I don't really like it. Looks minty, and now it's looking a little better than I thought. But the other one's a little brighter, kind of like almost matching the bull. Uh, it doesn't have my logo, and I know that, but I'll make one with my logo. Um, but I'll probably just have that one to like Printful or something like that, because the ones that I did get with my logo was from Printful, and that one was fine. I don't have it here with me. These I'm looking to buy bulk, and that way it's a little cheaper for me, and I can actually make some money off of them. Because the ones from Printful with my logo, I'm literally gonna make like $5 per hat. These I might be making a little more. And I want to post something that a lot of people can buy, and maybe it's not associated with me. You just like trading and you like the hats, and this is a nice, good quality hat. So I really, really like it. Like, it's literally becoming one of my favorite hats. The only thing is I don't want to wear it so much. This is why I keep like cleaning it, and you guys can see that. I don't want to wear it so much because if I end up deciding on this color or the other color, I'm gonna try to take some good pictures of it so I can use on the website and stuff. That's what I'm trying to like clean in, make sure it's all nice and shiny. But I like it. And then I was kind of upset. It's so hard working with manufacturers, man. I was upset. I did the mugs, and I'll show you guys here in a second. One, you probably answer this daily, but what was your initial capital when you first started trading? I was under PDT, but I started with a cash cow and then quickly realized, I really can make a lot of money doing this, so I went over PDT. So luckily I had some money saved, but man, I see people in cash accounts now trading and they're still killing it. There's, you just, if anything, it might be better for beginners, and that's why they have the PDT. Don't forget to mention if someone buys your course, it's a tax write-off too. Yeah, I need to do my taxes this year. Haven't done them. I'm actually waiting for one document for my course to get back to me so I can report it. What was I saying? Oh, that is why cash PDT rules invented, so beginners and people trading to the markets don't overtrade right away and lose all their money. So cash is perfectly good to start off. If I may ask, what are your monthly earnings? Last month I made 5 figures on the month trading, and I usually trade an hour a day, an hour and a half, so you can do the math there. This month I'm not at 5 figures yet, but still have a week left. But I mean, today I made 900. Yesterday I made 750. So 2 days there, almost 2 grand. Don't forget, yeah. So thank you, Rosendo. It looks cool. The green strap looks good with the black. Yeah, I do like it. The other thing is, this is a Velcro strap, which I don't mind it, but I asked if they had like buckles or something else, and I don't think they did. They had the big plastic one that's like snaps, like it's got the little holes in it, like snaps shut real quick. It like clicks in, and I did not like that. So, and then there was also it was a little bit too. What about fit it? What do you mean fit it? I was gonna say, I don't, what do you mean by fit it? Um, there was also fitted hats. What does that mean? Sorry. Oh, I see. Oh, no, I didn't do that. I think I think with the strap or buckles or something makes it easier for more people to use them, I think. You know, you can adjust it and stuff. And that's the reason why I went with hats. At first I wanted to make like shirts and hoodies, but man, if I have to keep inventory of small, medium, large, extra large, and then small, medium, small bulls, small bears, medium bulls, medium bears, large bulls, large bears, extra large bulls, extra large, that's so much, bro. The only thing that I did say, and I put on this hat, and I immediately noticed, and then I gave it to my friend. And I was like, "Hey, put this hat on and tell me what you think." And he said the exact same thing. It's a little too deep, so it kind of like sits down and starts hitting my ears, and so that is why I'm waiting for the other sample. So they're gonna change the depth of it, make it a little shorter, and then they're going to change the color strap. So after that, I should be able to pick a final one, which depth and stuff, and then which color and stuff, and then order them bulk. Yeah, and no, it's still deep. Like it's still pretty deep because I have other hats, and for example, my other hat from Printful is way less deeper, but this is nice. This is way better. You think new FOMC? There is an FOMC at 2. I don't know what you mean by new. What do you think of foreign exchange? I don't really like the forex. You can trade forex. The only thing I don't like about forex is there's a lot of different time zones, and you gotta know which one you're trading. Like if you're trading this exchange, then the time zone could be at 4 in the morning. If you're trading the yen or something like that, it could be in the middle of the day. If you're trading this, so it's kind of like that. And then there's not one like the stock market. Just every morning, everything can move together, it can not move together. Every morning, the first hour of market open is going to be the really open, volatile moment. So that's why I like stocks. And honestly, I would say if you get to learn stocks, you start realizing, this is a good company, this is not a good company. This is the index here, ETFs here. I'm putting some money here long term. I would never tell you guys to put money into Forex long term. If you want to buy some Tesla, you saw Tesla down at $100 just 2 months ago. You're like, that's a heck of a deal on Tesla. I'm buying more. Rome C was buying more on Tesla down at $100. Guess what? It's sitting at $197 right now. That's 100% return in a month and a half. You would have never had that in Forex. That literally means if you put $5,000 a month ago in Tesla, you'd be sitting at $10,000 right now. If you put $20,000 a month ago in Tesla, you'd be sitting at $20,000 right now in Tesla. You would have doubled your account. And it's Tesla. You knew you were somewhere in the safe there with Tesla being such a big company. But that's not day trading, that's investing. Two different things. Investing, long term, day trading, buying and selling. Anyways, I'm chatting with you guys for a little bit today, so I think I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day. Up $907 for the day, so appreciate everybody coming in here. Appreciate all of you guys that support here day in, day out. Hit the like buttons, all that stuff. Hop in my YouTube recaps and all that stuff. If you guys are new here, I do offer free Discord, so you guys can come in and chat. It's in the link in bio and all that stuff. If you guys want to learn from me, then there's my course as well. 150 off for the checkout discount code 150OFF, no space. Um, you can click on the link and see everything that's included: full mentorship, full course, all of that stuff, private Discord, so I know you're in it. Aside from that, I do this every morning, 15 minutes before market opens, and I think I'm out for the rest of the day. I did call this last Tesla downtrend break. You know, these are a little better later in the day. There's a little downtrend finally broke out, and then right now to me looks like broke this uptrend here, and so now it could be going right back on down a little bit off of that 195. Cody, Cody and Rome both saying big heads. Anyways, you guys all have a great day. If you guys are still trading, hop in the Discord and chat with us. Whoever's still trading there, I know I still keep an eye on the market. Even if I'm not trading, I could should throw out some ideas or anything like that, or stocks that are moving. But you guys take care. I'm out for the day. See you guys tomorrow, and you guys enjoy the rest of y'all's day. Where's my OBS? All right, later, guys.